I will talk about how can you disable this sign on how you can do that on your Bluesky app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings, click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just click here on accessibility here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Come here to autoplay for videos in the gifs here, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean autoplay for videos and gifs disable with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you are great. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. Thank you for your watching.